module, learner will be able to verify the completeness of the tasks, complete the tasks that are incomplete or incorrect, move application to CAMQ for further process. Once the ADQ data entry is completed from the Asset Details tab to Valuation tab, the ADE officer will click on Workflow button and then he has to run the completeness task to check if all the data entered is complete and correct. The result of the task will be successful or fail. If failed, then the user will have to fill in the missing data or correct the data and save again and then again run the completeness task. In case the data entered is complete and correct, then the user will get an option to close the tasks invoked, that is PAN, dedupe, Sybil, TVR, initiate, enter FI verification, data FI verification, vehicle dedupe, alternate scoring model, Vahan, submit auto adjudication. If there is no deviations or standard deviation, the application will move to CAMQ. Let's see the task closure process. Log into TCS BaNCS LOS using SAP code and password. In the roles list, select the required option, that is ADE officer. If the user has multiple roles, then only he will need to select. All the applications submitted to the ADE queue will move to the team queue directly. To work on any application, user needs to move the application to My Queue. Click on Move to My Queue button in Team Queue to enter further data. Go to the application, select the Workflow tab. The Workflow tab displays the tasks to be completed by the user to process the loan application to the next level. The user will have to select the tasks in the workflow and complete the required tasks. You can see task status under Workflow tab. Let's complete the tasks one by one. Dedupe. Click on Dedupe task. If the customer is existing, the data will be fetched automatically. But if the customer is new, then we need to create manually. Click on Fetch Customer Info. Click on Get Customer Info button to search for the customer matching the details. Select from the fetched list and click on Update. If there are no details after clicking Fetch Result, then you can create Request ID to create a new cluster ID for the customer. Click Close Task to end the task. PAN details. Similarly, for PAN details, we need to click on Fetch to know whether the details are valid or not valid. PAN NSDL server remarks should be verified from NSDL. Check the PAN response status whether it is valid. If the details are valid, Successfully Fetched option will pop up on the screen. If suppose the PAN details are not valid, then the task should not be closed. Post the fetching, click on Close Task If and only if it is valid and successful. Sybil task. To generate a Sybil report, click on Invoke to get the Sybil report. It can be done in branch queue as well as ADE queue. If the Sybil is fetched, one can view the PDF report and the same will be seen in all account summary details. You can verify credit validation ID, consumer name 1 and 2, credit bureau, address, date of birth, PAN and mobile number. After viewing the Sybil report, click on Close Task. Vahan task. Vahan task will be completed if the lead was created for the refinance vertical. Note: in the status list, select Not Valid in case the Vahan details are not required. This task can be either invoked by the business executive through Slate or click on Invoke to generate the Vahan details. Enter details such as registration number, engine number, chassis number, and click on Fetch to fetch the details which get communicated to the Vahan interface, and the results are shown. Details about vehicle details, owner details, and hypothecation details can be viewed. Specify the required details and click Close Task to complete the task. Auto adjudication. Once the user submits auto adjudication, the system will run the rules and automatically trigger the deviation in this application. ADE External Task Queue. Post PAN verification, dedupe and Sybil Vahan tasks closure, application moves to team queue in ADE. The ADE officer can take the application in a personal queue. ADE external task includes TVR and field investigation. TVR. After receiving the application to personal queue, click on TVR. Click on the drop-down. Initiate call using any one of the linked customers and click on Initiate Call. Same as legacy process, the call gets initiated for further verification by the ADE officer. Click on the fields and write brief remarks of the call. The call initiated will be recorded for quality and audit purpose and future reference after clicking on Submit. Similarly, once the TVR task is completed, click on Close Task. Field Investigation Verification. Note: all fields marked in asterisk are mandatory. Select Yes if FI is conducted or else No. Select the residence ownership and residence type from the drop-down options. Select the number of years in residence from the following. Select the place of domicile from the available list of options. Select the religion category. Select the relationship of the person with applicant from the drop-down options. Type the name of the person met in FI. Office address FI. Select Yes if FI is conducted or else No. Specify the required details. Permanent address. Here, the role auto-populates. Select Yes if FI is conducted or else No. Select the residence ownership from the drop-down options. Select the number of years in residence from the following. Select the relationship of the person with the applicant from the following. Asset FI details. Select the asset usage from the drop-down options. Select the usage purpose. Asset loan viability. Note: for commercial vehicle, we have to check asset viability. Select Include viability as Yes or No. Type the vehicle route or application. Select the viability parameter from the following. Income per month. Select the number of days vehicle operating in month. Note: should be greater than 0 and should be less than or equal to 31. Type the rate per trip per kilometers by hours. Note: cannot be less than 0. Type the estimated average income per day and month. Expense per month. Type the fuel expenses. Note: cannot be less than 0. Type the staff expenses and maintenance. Type the monthly installment amount. Type the number of months operating in a year. Note: should be greater than 0 and less than equal to 12. FI reports and recommendation. FI report. Type the strong points. Type the weak points. Select the FI outcome from the drop-down option. Type the FI remarks. Type the date and time of FI submission. Type the FI done by name and code. FI refer and recommendation. Select the FI decision from the drop-down options. Type the refer remarks. Type the refer remarks by name and code. click Close Task to complete the FI verification task. Once we finish all the tasks, if there is no deviations or standard deviation, the application will move to CAMQ